Good day everyone, I am Gian Leslie Alduhina from ECA 112L Section B15 together along with John Patrick de Guzman and our core subject advisor, Ms. Marian Sehera. This documentation will be separated into 4 agendas: theories and concept, circuit and activity results, conclusion, and activity time-lapse. In frequency shift keying or FSK, the frequency of the carrier changes in discrete levels in accordance with the input digital signal while the amplitude of the carrier remains the same. The frequency shift keying or FSK is a method of digital modulation that utilizes frequency shifting of the relative frequency content of the signal. The signal to be modulated and transmitted is binary, which is encoded before modulation. This is an indispensable task in digital communications, where redundant bits are added with the raw data that enables the receiver to detect and correct bit errors if they occur during transmission. In more advanced modem and data transmission techniques, a symbol may have more than two states, not just zeros and ones. It may also represent more than one bit of information. However, a single bit always represents one of two states, either A0 or A1. In this case, a baud or symbol rate expressed in symbols, seconds, or pulses per second, and bit rate are different and must not be confused with one another. In this task, we were able to achieve the objectives of understanding the concept and being familiar with the topic. In terms of the topic, FSK, MATLAB Simulink produced a good outcome. MATLAB Simulink allows the researcher to have a better understanding of how to create an FSK with, by using block diagrams, as well as examine the FSK outputs. The FSK output of high and low frequency of 100 Hz and 50 Hz as set to the block diagram is shown in the first part of the activity with its given setting parameters, the block. At this point in the activity, the collected data revealed a 5 Hz pulse generator frequency with 10 alterations. Furthermore, it demonstrates that there are certain chances for no discontinuities on the signals because both signals are multiplied by 5 Hz. The student's observation, this may not be accurate because the pulse generator frequency, which is 5 Hz and divisible by the stated parameters in the frequency in high and low, may produce discontinuity if only one of the signals or both are not divisible by the pulse generator frequency. To finalize today's activity, here is the time lapse in where John Patrick and I created and simulated the given circuit for frequency shift keying.
For this activity, I am Del Patrick G. De Guzman from Isaiah 112, section of P15. For today's activity, I'll show you how to conduct or how to create a block diagram that can generate an frequency shifting signal on MATLAB Simulink.